Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup dumplings without gelatin. First, we will focus on creating a naturally gelling broth. Then, we will prepare the flavorful filling and the delicate dough wrappers. Finally, I will guide you through the assembly and steaming process, ensuring you achieve that perfect, soupy bite. Get ready to enjoy these incredible dumplings, made entirely from scratch with natural ingredients. The secret to soupy dumplings without gelatin lies in a rich, collagen-dense broth. We will use ingredients like pork trotters or chicken feet, simmering them for at least 4 to 6 hours. This long simmer extracts all the natural collagen, which will cause the broth to gel when chilled. Season it well with aromatics, then let it cool completely in the refrigerator until it becomes a firm, wobbly jelly. With our broth jelly ready, it is time to prepare the delicious filling. Combine ground pork with the finely diced, chilled broth jelly. This jelly will melt into soup during steaming. Season the mixture with soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper for a balanced flavor. For the wrappers, use a simple dough of all-purpose flour and warm water, rolled thinly to about 3 inches in diameter. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Take one wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of the prepared filling in its center. Carefully pleat and seal the edges tightly, creating a beautiful, traditional dumpling shape. This tight seal is crucial to keep all that delicious soup inside. Steam your dumplings for 8 to 10 minutes until they are perfectly cooked. Serve them immediately and savor the incredible burst of warm, savory liquid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.